Welcome to aminacademy.com. In physics, regarding thermal expansion, let us do some solving problems. Look at this example. The length of iron rod at 100 degrees Celsius is 300.36 centimeter and at 150 degrees Celsius is 300.54 centimeter. Calculate its length at 0 degrees Celsius and coefficient of linear expansion of iron is, and also define the coefficient of linear expansion of iron. Here given L1 100, L1 is 300, .36 centimeter, and L2 is 300.54 centimeter, and we have to find coefficient of expansion, also L0. L0 means length at 0 degrees Celsius. Here we know that initial length L1 equal final length L0, L1 equal to L0 into 1 plus alpha T0, alpha T1. Now we put the values 300.54, 300.36 first. Initial length is 36 equal L0 1 plus 100 alpha, because T1 is 100. Initially at 100 degrees Celsius. Now let it be 1. Like that, L2 equal L0 1 plus alpha T2. Now L2 is given as 300.54 centimeter, which is equal same L0 1 plus 150 alpha. Here 150 degrees Celsius. L2 is 150. T2 is 150 degrees Celsius. That is, here we have equation 2. Now 2 by 1, equation 2 divided by 1 gives 354 minus 336 equal L0 cut. That is division of these two things which cut, that 1 plus 150 alpha over 1 plus 100 alpha. So we rearrange this. 300 into 54 into 1 plus 100 alpha equal 336 1 plus 150 alpha. Here this division of this 300.54 over 336 equal 1.0006 equal Now we'll do this way also. Three hundred 54 into 1 is 354 into 100 is 354. Alpha equal 336 into 1 is 300.36 into 336 into 150 alpha. Now this collecting one side, which is equal 300.36 into 54 alpha minus 305.4 alpha gives 300.54 minus 300.36. Here, by using this relation, alpha equal 300.36 336 into 150 alpha. Sorry, this is into 336 into 150. Calculate. Here 300.36 into 150 equal 450.54 minus 3054 equal 300.8 and 180 it is. Now subtraction 450.54 minus 354 354 equal alpha into 15,000 0.18. Now from this you get alpha equal 318.1530, which gives 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 5 per degree Celsius. Now we got alpha. Now from this, that is, we got first the coefficient of linear expansion you can find. Also at 0 degree Celsius you have to find L. Here from one equation 1 tells 300.36 equal L0 1 plus alpha into 100. Therefore 336 equal to L0 1 plus 1.2 into 10 raised to minus y into 100. Therefore, which gives L0 is 336 over here 1.5 in 10 raised to minus y into 100 is 10 raised to minus 3, that is 1.5 1.0012, which gives 300 centimeter. Therefore, length at 0 degrees Celsius is 300 centimeter. Next question. By how much will a steel rod 1 meter long expand when heated from 25 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius? The coefficient of volume of expansion of steel is 300 into 10 raised to minus 5 per degree Celsius. Here, initial temperature T1. Initial temperature T1 is 25 degrees Celsius. T2 is 55 degrees Celsius. The coefficient of volume of expansion, coefficient of length, initial length L1 equal to 1 meter. The coefficient of volume of expansion, OF of volume of expansion, volume expansion is gamma equal 3 into 10 raised to minus 5 per degree Celsius. Now, we have to find increase in length. Now, we know that gamma, volume of gamma equal to 3 into alpha linear expansion, which is equal 3 into 10 raised to minus 5. Therefore, alpha equal to find 3 into 10 raised to minus 5 over 3 equal 1 into 10 raised to minus 5 per degree Celsius. Now, we have the relation L2 equal L1 1 plus alpha T2 minus T1. Then from this L2 here equal L1 plus alpha T2 minus T1 is 55 minus 25 into L1. Therefore, L2 minus L1 equal alpha is given 1 into 10 power minus 5, 25, 55 minus 25 is 30 into L1. So initial length is 1 meter. So here we have initial length is 1 meter. Therefore, L2 minus L1 equal 33 into 10 raised to minus 4, because 30 into 1 is 30, 30 into 10 power minus 4 is 3 into 10 power, 30 into 10 power minus 5 is 3 into 10 power minus 4, L1 is 1. Therefore, the change in we need, how much will steel one increase? This therefore, which is equal this meter, the rod will expand by 0.3 mm, because divided by 1000 is meter is multiplied by 1000. Therefore, 3 into 10 power minus 4 into 100 1000 is 0.3 mm. Therefore, L2 minus 1 increase in length. Therefore, rod will expand 0.3 mm more. Next question. A brass rod and an iron rod are each 1 meter length at 0 degrees Celsius. Find the difference in their lengths at 110 degrees Celsius. Alpha for brass is 19 into 10 raised to minus 6 per degree Celsius, and alpha for iron is 10 into 10 power minus 6 degrees Celsius. Here we have to right in both sides, and this side brass. This is first is brass, but brass here and LBR2. LBR1 first brass L1 is, that is we can write LBR. L1BR is 1 meter. Here L and 1 also 1 meter. Then we can calculate first and alpha for BR. Alpha for BR is 19 into 10 raised to 19 into 10 raised to minus 6 per degree Celsius. For alpha and equal to 10 into 10 raised to minus 6 per degree Celsius. Now, for brass rod, we calculate LBR2 length after heating. BR2 LBR2 is LBR1 into 1 plus alpha BR T2 minus T1. We'll calculate this, and for iron side L iron 2, final length of the iron rod is L iron rod first 1 plus alpha iron T2 minus T1. From this 2 and 1, subtracting 2 minus 1. This is, let it be, this is 2, this is equation 1. 2 minus 1. Subtracting equation 2, 2 and 1, we get, look at here, LBR2, that is length of iron rod, length of brass 2 minus length of iron 2. Difference in length of iron rod and brass rod and iron rod in second condition, that is a final temperature, which is equal L1 LBR1 into 1 plus alpha BR1 T2 minus T1 minus LFE1 iron rod 1 plus alpha Fe1 T2 minus T1. Look at here. Here, and initially both are same. LBR1, LBR2 is 1 meter. So we can use it. This equal both. Therefore, LBR2 minus LFE2 equal LBR1 here. LBR1 is 1 meter. You can use it. So therefore 1 into 1 plus 19 into 10 power minus 6 into 110 minus 100 minus 1 into 1 plus 1 plus 10, not 19, 10 into 10 power minus 6 into 100 minus 10 minus 100 is 10. So by using this calculation, we'll get the difference is 900 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter, which is equal 0.9 mm. Therefore, the difference of their length is 0.9 mm. There we can find, therefore, the difference of their length at 110 degrees Celsius is, no, difference of their length after heating to 110 degrees Celsius, it gives 0.9 mm. Next question, a brass rod and iron rod are each 1 meter length at 20 degrees Celsius. At what temperature the difference in their length is 1.4 mm? Alpha for brass 18.92 into 10 raised to minus 6 per degree Celsius, and alpha for iron is 11.92 into 10 power minus 6 degrees Celsius. Here, a brass and iron, first brass, here iron, LBR2, LBR2, that is brass rod length after heating gives is LBR1 1 plus alpha BR T2 minus T1. Now we copy this. For iron is LFE2, that is final length of the iron rod, equal LFE1 plus 1 plus alpha Fe T2 minus T1. Now it is 2. Let it be 1. This is 2. Subtracting both, it is 1 minus 2 is LBR2 minus LFE2 gives LBR1 1 plus alpha BR T2 minus T1 minus LFE1 into 1 plus alpha Fe T2 minus 1. We are subtracting LBR2 minus LFE2 gives this one. Here at initially 1 meter length. Here, therefore, the difference between this length is 1.4 mm. Therefore, we can use it. 1.4 mm in meter is 1.4 minus 3. That is LBR2 minus LFLE2 equal 1 plus 118.92 into 10 power minus 6 T2 minus 20 degree. Initial temperature is 20 minus this. This calculation gives 1 minus, because minus is multiplied throughout, 11.92 into 10 raised to minus 6 T2 minus 20 degrees Celsius. Now this both cut, which gives 1.4 minus 3 gives, after this calculation, 18.92. 11.92 is subtraction is 7.92 into 10 raised to minus 6 T2 minus 20. On this, gives T2 minus T1 gives 1.4 into 10 raised to minus 3 over 7.92 into 10 power minus 6, which gives 200. Not 7.92, 7 here 700, so which is equal to 200. Now therefore T2 equal to 200 plus T1 is 20, which is equal to 220 degree Celsius. Therefore final temperature is 220. What temperature of the difference in their length is 1.4 meter after 20 degree increase. Next question. A rod A and a rod B are equal length at 0 degrees Celsius. If at 100 degrees Celsius they differ by 1 mm and their length at 0 degrees Celsius is alpha, at 1 mm find their length at 0 degrees Celsius. Alpha A is given and alpha B is also given. So for rod A, LA2, final length of rod 2 is initial length of rod 1, that is 1 plus alpha A T2 minus T1. This let it be 1, and for B, therefore LB2 equal LB1 1 plus alpha B into T2 minus T1. Therefore LB2 LB1 subtraction of both is LB1 1 plus alpha B T2 minus T1 subtraction of LA1 1 plus alpha A T2 minus T1. Therefore the difference between this is LA2. LB2 minus LA2 is here. Now these two, the difference of their length is 12 into 10 the equal length, and if 100 degrees Celsius, therefore 1 mm. Yes, 1 mm is 1 into 10 power minus 3 meter. which is equal LB1 1 plus alpha B is 12 into 10 power minus 6 100 minus 0. This is final temperature is 100, initial temperature is 0, minus LA1. LA1 is 1 plus 8 into 10 power minus 6 into 100 minus 0. Now, therefore, 1.1 into 10 power minus 3 equal, this calculation gives will be 1 into 1 plus 12 into 10 power minus 6 into 100, which gives LB1 1 plus now here LA1 initially both are same length, LA1 equal to LB1. By using this condition, we can get it 1 into 10 power minus 3 is, let it be both LA1. LA1 into 1 plus 12 into 10 raised to minus 4, because 100 is multiplied here. 12 into 10 power minus 6 into 100 is 12 into 10 power minus 4. The same way, minus LA1 is 1 plus 8 into 10 power minus 4, because here 8 into 10 power minus 6 into 100 is 1 plus 8 into 10 power minus 4. So we have 1 into 10 power minus 3, which is equal LA1 into 12 minus 8 is 4. 4 into 10 power minus 4. Therefore, LA1 is 1 into 10 power minus 3 over 4 into 10 power minus 4. So, which gives 2.5 meter. Therefore, now LA1 we got it. We need to find at 0 degrees Celsius. Find their lengths. Now, first at 0 degree, the length of the two rods is 2.5. At 0 degrees Celsius, both rods are the same length, that is 2.5 meter. That is L0. We have to please subscribe our YouTube channel.